I stopped booking lash appointments, and this is why. The Lilac Street Original Starter Kit has 20 lash clusters in 10 to 12 millimeter clear glue and the applicator. First, I clean my lashes with the prep cloth. Takes 10 seconds, and the step people skip is like this is super important because there's no oil. I have makeup, but you can also do it without makeup, and the glue actually grips. So then I go section by section, a little bit of glue, place the clusters underneath my natural lashes, and then I press it on with my fingertips. The shorter ones on the inner corner, the longer ones on the outside, so it gives you a lift look. The clusters are so lightweight, I forget they're on. So once all the sections are in, I seal them, and that's why it makes them last, because the sealer, the clear sealer, works wonders. And they do last the 10 days, no daily strips, lashes, no salon appointment, no touch-ups, just you clean your makeup around it, clean your face, and you're ready to start the day. Then one thing that I like is that they don't make my lashes weak or something like that. So it's also cruelty free, vegan, and I did the whole thing by myself under 15 minutes. That's why I love them, and that's why I don't need to book any more lashes appointments anymore, because with the Lilac Streak Original Starter Kit, I have everything I want to look so beautiful and to look nice with my lashes. I definitely recommend you try it.